Do you know the function called selection layer? I wasn't familiar with this feature until recently, but it turned out to be a very useful feature. First, where is the selection layer? It's at the top of the layer screen. Then, select that layer and tap magic wand on the left menu. I think that it is usually used to automatically select the inside of the illustration, but here I select the background. When I select the background, I notice that part of the illustration is selected, and I am adjusting the range of the magic wand tool in the settings. The location of the setting is explained in this image. I think this setting screen is basically the same as the setting of the bucket tool. I've adjusted it somewhat at this time, but if you want to know more about this feature, please watch the video about the bucket tool from the related video in the upper right. From here, the selection range doesn't go well and I have a hard time. As a result, when the percent of strength was set to 5% or less, the background could be only selected. I think the reason for this is that I drew too thin lines in the line art. From now on, I have to be conscious of drawing a slightly thicker line. Then, exchange the selection layer selected background with the inside of the illustration. Please refer to this image for how to replace it. And select a new blank layer from the selection layer. Next, fill that layer with a single color by the bucket tool. Then, the illustration part specified in the selection layer will be only painted. Create a new layer on top of the layer painted in that color and clip it. If you don't know how to clip layers, please check the related video on how to use clipping in the upper right. Even if I try painting a different color on the clipped layer, the color will not stick out of the illustration, right? This kind of usage can be done with selection layer, so it is very convenient when painting. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is interesting, please push a like button. Also, if you ask questions in the comment section, it will be answered as soon as possible. Depending on the content, I may post new videos for answering your doubts and comments. So please subscribe to Animembo and set notifications for this. There are many people who watch the videos and don't register. So I will be very happy if you help me to grow. See you again in the next video.